Hey guys, I missed you all. I wanted to do a quick video on how I blow dry my hair. I just got out the shower. I kind of let it air dry first, and I might do a little pre-drying, but I wanted to show you guys a quick look. I know my hair isn't as long as it used to be, so it's gonna be pretty straight blowout, but I wanted to just give you guys some tips and tricks on how I do my hair. So here it goes. Go straight, some volume on top. This is how I know it didn't look as easy as it should for how many of these I do a day, but I gotta work for it too. I hope this helps you guys. I hope this gives you guys something to do for today or at some point during the week. Maybe practice on your kids, your daughters. Real quick, so I did use Dream Coat. I used the coconut cocktail. These are my go-tos. A lot of my clients, I use different ones on. If you guys have any questions about products, we are happy to drop them off for you. If you need to purchase anything, curbside pickup. But these are my go-tos. If you have questions on what you should use on your hair, feel free to DM me. Any questions about the blow dry, you can also DM me, message us. We miss you guys. Hope everyone's safe and really taking care of yourselves. Love you guys. Miss you.